Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative. Excuse my voice. And the lighting is early in the morning. It's a little dim. Anyway, I am here with a commission project. My friend, who is one of my fellow crafters, could have made these, but she was sick and she needed these two gifts for somebody at work. So she commissioned me to make these for her. So I used the same paper collection by Amy Tangerine on a whim, and then I made the last boxes and for Happy Crafters swap, and I'll link that link below. And so I made these two for her, and she's going to put her own ink pens in them, but I do have one here just to show you what it looks like. And on the lid I just used I used 110-pound white cardstock, and then I used some blue cardstock, and then I used the decorative paper on top. And those dies they are a memento die set. Out here, and I had to cut his legs off because they do get bent, even though I stacked it with 110-pound couple layers and then pink on top, it's still the legs bend, so I had to cut the legs off. This is a Anna Griffin hello, and then in here, see, I have it with the pen, just so you can see what it looks like in here. And then this is just a little booklet with some paper in it. This is a pocket that you can put stamps in. What I did was I put washi in mine, and then some tags, and they can take this loose and tie it into a loop so they can have these tags as gift tags or whatever. And that one just says hi, and these are recollection dies. Love, blessed, if you can see that. Family, one is the faith and one is the hello one, I think. Hello and XO. Again, this is lighting, sorry. So the tags are exactly the same, and so are the cards in both boxes. Well, the A2 cards are the same, the 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now I did make the envelopes as well, and these come from the cut aparts, and they're all blank on the inside. Yes, please, the best. Oh, like it's hard to see. So these are just cut aparts, and of course, like I said, they are 3 by 3, blank on the inside. Matching envelopes right there, and these are the cards. And again, this is the Anna Griffin. Well, no, this is a Love Nicole die that says thinking of you on it. So again, just matted it with colored the decorative paper and the cardstock. And they're blank on the inside. And just to note again, that's a Love Nicole die. You need to get those from AC Moore. That's Anna Griffin to thank you. And that's Anna Griffin. Hello, the same one that's on the outside of the envelope. So both have the same cards, same style of format. These are made out of 8 1/2 and 11, and the tutorial is linked below. And then so this one, the same thing, same die sets, the same AG Anna Griffin right there. Hello, the same memento dies right there, the flamingo memento dies. So again, this will be the inside, and of course you can stick a pen right in here, put something in there. You can make address booklet, birthday booklet, whatever you need to do, important dates that you need to send out cards. Again, like I said, the tags are all the same look and the same words. I matched them exactly the same. And then these are some different cut aparts. It says, oh yeah, can't stop the feeling, tacos, and in good company. And then the A2 cards are exactly the same like the other ones. Hello, thank you, thinking of you, and just a note. So the funny thing is, I've got several people that asked me to make them some, and so I was making them they're paying me for them, so I will be making some of those for them, as well as some different, somewhat this paper pad. I got 2 from this paper pad and some from a different one. But anyway, so I'll be making a couple of more sets and selling them. But anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.